Respected Gurumurthy sir and Elizabeth ma'am, I wishing both of you health, wealth and happiness in retirement life. I would like to thank both of you for your support and encouragement. Thank you for everything. Thank you ma'am. Thank you sir.
My dear Elizabeth ma'am and Gurumurthy sir, I wish you all the very best in your future life. Thanks for your support and enlightening in my life. Both are inspired me a lot. I would like to wish you happy, safe and healthy retirement life. Both of you. Thank you ma'am. Thank you sir.
Namaste, Gurumurthy sir and Elizabeth ma'am. With all the best wishes to you on your retirement. Wishing you both a long, happy, and healthy retirement. I would like to thank both of you for your support and encouragement. Thank you for everything. God bless you both. Thank you, sir, and thank you, ma'am.
Elizabeth Madam is very friendly and humble. She is always nice to everyone. She is a down to earth person and this can be seen in her work. Gurumurthy sir is helpful and kind hearted person, always willing to help not only his colleagues but also students in need. I have seen in him a friend who can be relied upon. I wish both of them a very happy and peaceful retired life.
It's hard to say something at this moment, but I have to. How can I forget all those beautiful moments we have spent together and all that what you have done for me? We will miss all that beautiful moments, but you will not be forgotten. Hope you will enjoy your retired life doing things for which you never had time. Thank you for everything. Best wishes for your new journey in life.
Respected Gurumurthy sir and Elizabeth ma'am, may your life in retirement filled with joy and happiness. Enjoy spending time with your loved ones. Thank you and best wishes for your retirement.
Good morning, dear Gurumurthy sir and Elizabeth ma'am. Because of the lockdown, we are not able to say bye to you both physically when you retire after many years of dedicated service. It is not easy for me to speak about you at this moment of departure. We have spent a lot of time together as Crossland family, which would be in my mind forever. We used to speak many a times that Crossland is a family. It is really true. I thank both of you for your valuable service and being our role models. At the same time, I feel very sad because we cannot meet you regularly and feel the warmth of your love and affection. I pray to God Almighty for your happy time with your family and enjoy good health in days to come. Thank you.
My dear Gurumurthy sir and Elizabeth madam, I wish you all the best for your future life. And I would like to thank for your guidance and support in my life, both of you. And also I wish you a very happy and healthy retirement life. Thank you ma'am. Thank you sir.
All of us know that our Elizabeth madam and Gurumurthy sir is going to retire from the service by the end of this month. I know them personally from the first day I joined this college in the year 1991. Elizabeth madam has been very friendly with all the colleagues and all the students. Whenever I have a doubt about official or unofficial issues, I used to approach Gurumurthy sir for the solutions. He has always guided me in all situations. I wish all the very best for their retirement life.
Dear ma'am, I don't know how to express and what to express at this moment, but still I would like to share a few words before you are departing from the college. This moment I don't want to face, but still it is unavoidable. Whenever there is a need, I used to approach you in the department. The way you are giving a solution, the way you are helping me, I am not forgetting. I don't know to whom I have to approach hereafter. Your great nature of endurance, your sincere and humble nature, your pure smile, and the way of helping everyone with a pure heart, it's very, very unforgettable. Really, we are going to lose a very good faculty in the college. Your motherly love, your helping nature with a pure heart, and your patience is exemplary. You are a role model, you are a role model for all of us, madam. We are going to miss you a lot. If you feel free, you can come to the college during afternoon. Thank you, ma'am. Wish you all the best. I wish a happy and joyful retired life. Thank you. ಹೌದು, ನಿಮಗೆ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಹೃದಯಸ್ಪರ್ಶಿ ವಂದನೆಗಳು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಡೆ ನುಡಿಗಳು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಮಾದರಿ ಹಾಗೂ ದಾರಿದೀಪ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಸೇವೆಯ ಪಯಣ 1997 ಜೂನ್ನಿಂದ 2020 ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ವರೆಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಸೌಹಾರ್ದಯುತವಾಗಿತ್ತು. ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಸಂಬಂಧವು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಕೆಲವರು ಹೇಳಿದ ಕುಹಕದ ಮಾತುಗಳು ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ನೋವನ್ನುಂಟು ಮಾಡಿದರೂ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸಹಿಸಿ ನಗುತ್ತಾ ಅದನ್ನು ನುಂಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೊಡನೆ ಅಂದವಾಗಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರೊಡನೆ ಸೌಹಾರ್ದಯುತವಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಡೆ ನುಡಿಗಳು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮೂಕಸ್ಮಿತರಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಈ ಗುಣವು ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಮಾದರಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಆರ್ ಅ ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಸ್. ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಹೊತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ನ ಮನದ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ನಾನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಬರೆದು ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಒತ್ತಾಯಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ಭವಿಷ್ಯವು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಆರೋಗ್ಯವಾದ ಜೀವನ, ಖುಷಿಯಾದ ವಾತಾವರಣ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟು ಮಾಡಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಆ ದೇವರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Dear Elizabeth Madam, it has been a privilege working with you for the last 30 years. Through your simple lifestyle and dedicated service, you have taught us the values of simplicity, humility, kindness, and patience. I am going to miss your pleasant smile and encouraging words when we are going back to the college after reopening. May God give you a peaceful and contented retired life. My dear friend Gurumurthy, you have always been my friend in need in true sense. As a person, you are an amazing human being with an extra large heart to give us love and care. As a colleague, you have been a great motivator and an inspiration. When I go back to the college, I miss your lively chat and the caring concern. I wish you a very happy retired life.
I take this opportunity to wish Professor Elizabeth Roy a very happy retired life. Ma'am, you have done your duty extremely well. I am very much fascinated by the humility that you are showing in your dealings with others, and also the punctuality that you are showing in your work. So on behalf of Crossline family, I wish you a very happy retired life. On behalf of Crossline family, let me wish you a very happy retired life. Professor Gurumurthy has been a very good friend of mine for a number of years, and he was with me in times of my happiness as well as when I face problems. My only request to you is that you continue to share your knowledge in your subject even after your retirement, because knowledge is meant to be shared. So let me wish you all the best for a very happy and satisfied as well as dynamic retired life.